You got some little fake rifles.
Yes.
That's not a geocache, is it?
It is.
It is?
Write your geocaching nickname and the date on it, and then look over there. Try to bring your name.
Okay. Oh! So much is going on in terms of geocaching here in Hannover, Germany, and the reason it's happening is because of my friend Daniel Pfleger. There is essentially a business, it's a geocaching business here in Hanover. We are in the workshop right now, and we're gonna show you around. Hey Daniel, how you doing?
I'm fine, thanks.
Awesome, awesome. So first of all, what is the name of this place? What is the name?
It's the Geheimpunkt HQ.
Okay, and what does that mean? What's the translation?
Geheimpunkt could be translated with secret point, hidden point, something like that.
Okay, it's a secret place. I've been in geocaching workshops before, and there's so much going on in here. I'm just being surrounded by geocaches right now. Let's just take a look at what you all have here. This is just like a sign, right?
Yes, it's like a sign, but with a hidden inside and multi-cache on. So something like a prototype, which I take to customers to, demonstrate how it could look like.
So what you're saying is you work with local businesses,
Yes.
and you're like, hey, there's this thing called geocaching. It's a thing that could bring people to your place, or it could promote their business in some way.
Yeah.
And you're like, here, this is an example of one.
Yes, right.
Well, that's cool. That's cool.
Good thing to create cool geocaches
Yes.
for the community. And what companies could add is a safe surrounding. So,
Yes.
a place where we won't have to ask for permission, and there's usually not lots of vandalism. So
Right.
the cache stays in a good condition, and that's
Totally.
cool for anyone.
Oh, totally, totally. All right. Oh gosh, look at this.
This is a normal pole, but also with a hidden.
Yes. And is this also a prototype too, or is this going out?
This is going to be out.
Okay.
I'm not sure where exactly. Maybe at the Baltic Sea, and then we have this one. I have not seen it before because my employee just brought it here.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it could be. Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Simple one.
Under the reflector.
Yeah.
Now I heard you say that you have an employee. You actually have somebody. It's his job.
Yeah.
To make geocaches.
Actually, I have two guys.
Two people.
Yeah, they are fully employed 40 hours a week, and
Oh my gosh.
their only job is creating geocaches.
Guys, could you imagine what it was like if your job was creating awesome geocaches? For some people, that's a dream come true.
I have another employee.
Okay.
She used to be, I have a geocaching travel agency I told you about.
Yes, yes.
It's called Cacher Reisen.
Okay.
And she once was an attendee at one of these trips, and now she's an employee, and she organizes all these geocaching trips. And she goes with
Oh my gosh.
the geocaches in all these foreign countries, so she's getting paid for being
A
outside.
geocacher.
Yes.
And traveling the world geocaching. So I noticed there is a photo of somebody here.
Yeah.
It's just some dude, and you're telling me that that's a geocache.
That is a geocache.
No, it's not a geocache. Really?
These eyes, they would blink a Morse code, and then
What?
they give you the code to open the final box. But you can't see it with your eyes. You can only see it because it's infrared with a camera. So you need a phone or. And we made this for fitness, for gym.
And so you're gonna put this maybe at the on the wall or somewhere outside.
Yeah, right.
Oh, you got some little fake rifles.
Yes.
That's not a geocache, is it?
It is.
It is?
Of course. We have been asked by a hunting shop.
Okay.
What you have to do is bring your own what's it called?
Rubber band.
Rubber band.
Yep.
Write your geocaching nickname and the date on it, and then look over there. Try to bring your name.
Okay. Oh! You did it!
I did it.
So you're saying the rubber band is the logbook,
Yes, that's right.
and you shoot it into the thing,
Yes.
and that's the geocache.
Yes.
All right, see if I can get it as lucky. No! Rejected. Ugh. Rejected again. I guess that means I just have to go to the real one.
Yes.
And then, if it's real, I wasn't really trying as hard
because you can't log it.
I know I can't log it, so why even try? I have to go to the real one. It's just when you think, that can't be a geocache, pretty much everything in here is a geocache. Look at this. It's just, inside the extinguisher.
Oh, that's a mini model. We have this one in real size.
Oh, you do?
That's an escape room. A mobile escape room.
Daniel, you just keep impressing me. You have a mobile escape room.
I have a mobile escape room.
And it looks like this.
It looks exactly like this. That's an scaled model.
Amazing. The awesome geocaches just never end. Here's a little box that you point a laser pointer at and it reveals a number. Here we go. Oops. So I activated it, and now it could be from like a few seconds to up to a minute before it reveals the number. Oh, there it goes. Did you guys get that? Did you get it? Good. Daniel, I was just kidding. Like, I was saying, obviously she's in the window, so I just thought it was a mannequin. But you're telling me that she's actually a geocache.
Yes, she is. She is part of a geocache.
Show me. I don't see anything with my bare eyes. Oh my gosh. So her eyes are infrared.
Yes.
You can only see it through a camera.
Right.
You said she has a sister?
She has a sister, and it's about 2 kilometers from here. So
oh my gosh.
1 mile, maybe.
We're going.
We're going. And
okay.
She's in a window, in the actual business shopping window.
Okay, so that'll be a different video. Yeah. So what I want you to do is just click right up here. Right up there, yeah, right there.
And go to the other video.
And go to the video and you can see her sister. Hey, outside the geocaching workshop, of course there's a geocache. Right, look at, there it is. Cool, oh, all right. Cache hidden under lock and key. And we have some bolts here. Some of the bolts move. Some of them have little dots on them. The ones that move have dots.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, I was trying lots of different things on here. The first thing I tried to do is I tried to count all the bolts with the dots on them and put that in, and that was wrong. And then I tried to count the groupings, and I thought maybe that was the way, and apparently that is wrong too. It was much more difficult than that. So what you actually need to do is you need to count how many rotations it takes for each of these to go down with stopping. And that is the number that you have to record.
3 hours later.
So this is gonna look like a bunch of gibberish. I've been writing down numbers, I've been calculating things. You're gonna have to come here yourself and come to this wonderful geocaching workshop yourself to claim the find. But I figured it out and it took some time. Daniel, I'm just gonna say, cool cache, but a little tedious. A little tedious. You really had to work for it. But it's gonna be so satisfying when I go and open it up now. But first I'm gonna take a sip of my coffee. I mean, get to find the geocache, you get coffee. They got everything at this workshop. I love it.
15 minutes later.
Please be right. Yes. Boom. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna take this inside and sign it while I enjoy my coffee.